Yo guys, another day, another video. It has been literally over a year since I've said that line, and it's crazy to think I used to upload, weekly cadences between the years of like 2019 and 2023, let's say, and for 2024 to be the last time I uploaded. No really big excuse other than life has been busy. A lot of stuff has happened, maybe I'll address it in another video, but the one thing that's been happening in the last, call it year and a half or so, is I've still been wearing and buying sneakers, so I figured I'd throw together some clips I've compiled over the last, call it 18 months, and based on this 30 seconds that I'm already into, here's the first pair. It's a pair of the Union collab Air Jordan 4s in the Desert Moss colorway. Kind of a sleeper in my opinion. I think the guava and black colorways of the initial Union 4 drops back in 2020 were really the big hitters. This one not so much, although I do really enjoy it. It gives like a nice ACG vibe with that purple and those kind of earthier tones. Really great sneaker for kind of like the fall winter months in my opinion. Up next, a nice simple wear. It's the Terror Squad collab Nike Air Force 1 Low in the Blackout colorway. Really, it's like a white and black or panda colorway. If it didn't have that heel inscription with the Terror Squad logo, it would be just any other kind of run-of-the-mill GR colorway, but having that collab aspect to it. I'm a real big sucker for anything on a Nike sneaker, heel counter, and actually back heel too. Without revealing too much, fun fact, Fat Joe lives near where I live these days in New Jersey. So who knows, maybe one day we'll run into each other at the supermarket and I'm wearing these. In the same vein, when it comes to rapper collab Nike sneakers, here's a pair of the Nike Glides in collaboration with NOCTA, or Drake's brand. Really love these. There's a moment in time I was wearing these like every other day. They're super easy to wear despite how kind of chunky and 90s basketball they are. I think really that black and white and those pops of silver just make this sneaker look so good, and you wear them with a baggier set of pants. It's just something that you can't beat. I got these for a great price. I think these were featured in like one of my more recent uploads, which isn't saying much because I think it was like 2 videos ago. Got these for a great price pre-owned. It's really a buyer's market right now, so if you're a collector and there's something you have your eye on, chances are you could probably find it at a pretty good price. Switching up the scenery here a little bit from the New York City scenes, here I am in the Lufthansa lounge in the Frankfurt airport. I'm wearing the Aime Dore collab New Balance 550 in the gray suede colorway. I know the New Balance 550 trend came and went, but man, I'm still very heavy on these. I'm still sitting on a ton in the collection here. These ones I pulled out of the box to wear for a business trip in Cologne, Germany. I'm pretty much there every August, and the one thing I've realized is there's a ton of walking that's done in Europe, and I need to wear these kind of more, let's call it dressy casual sneakers, and the 550s fit the bill. These ones specifically, easy to wear. I think that's been the theme with the last 2 sneakers of just neutral colors. Just makes it one less thing to think about when putting together outfits when you wear a simple sneaker like this. I usually do these videos in sets of 5, so let's take it to the last one here. This is a pair of the Kasina collab Nike Air Max 1s. There's 2 of these. There's this gray colorway, and then there's an orange pair. I actually have both. These came out back in June of 2022, and fun fact, when I was in South Korea in 2023, we went and visited this store. So awesome sneakers, great materials, great color blocking on these. These have some sort of theming behind like unity and love with the ducks or whatever as part of the culture. I know there's kind of a deeper meaning to these, but for me personally, aside from seeing the store in person and just being a fan of anything collabed, just a great sneaker to have in the collection, honestly. We're running out of clips here, but just wanted to end the video there and say thanks for watching. Again, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, and hopefully there's more consistent things to come. Again, a lot of life has been going on the last year and a half, and happy to make a video, hopefully, and explain it all. But until then, keep up with me on social, Stuff Dylan Likes on Instagram, Stuff Dylan Sells. That's where I'm selling a lot of sneakers, because the collection is moving a little bit to make room for other things. Other than that, thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.